In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy the Aster token from the AsterDEX. It's super simple. We're going to connect your MetaMask wallet and use USDC to make the swap, step by step. Okay, let's start. So I have AsterDEX.com open. So it's Aster as in the token and DEX for decentralized exchange.com. I'm going to click on spot because I want to buy the coin. I don't want to leverage trade or use perpetuals or anything else. I just want to buy it and hold it. So you'll notice on top the default chain is BNB. I'm going to switch it to Ethereum because that's what I usually use to transact. So I'm going to select Ethereum. I'm going to click connect wallet. In my case, I'm using MetaMask, so I'll select MetaMask from the list. And I'll connect the account. It's the Ethereum account. And now I have to send a request to my MetaMask wallet. And then I will confirm it here so we can transact. Okay, now my wallet is connected. As you can see, the address is here, the wallet address. So I'm going to click deposit. I'm going to make sure it's the spot account that's selected. And Ethereum is the chain. And I'm going to use USDC to transact. I'm going to deposit $100. So deposit, confirm. It's saying deposit, waiting for confirmation. And it looks like the transaction was confirmed. So it says, please wait 1 to 2 minutes for the account info to be updated. I'm going to pause this video and come back when it's ready. Okay, now that the USDC fund has been cleared and I can use it. So the first thing I want to do is I want to swap it to USDT because that's the pair that I can use to buy Aster. So I'm going to select USDC, USDT. And I want to sell my USDC. So I'm going to select all the way to the max. And then click sell. I see the USDT available already in my assets. So now I'm going to select Aster. And I want to buy for 100 or 99.83 USDT. So I'm going to go all the way to the max. That gives me 61.51 Aster. So click buy. Perfect. So the order was submitted. It was successful. I see the Aster here. Now it's time to withdraw the Aster and put it back in MetaMask. So I'm going to click on withdraw. Actually, you can't see it. Let me just move the screen. It's the withdraw button here in the middle. Spot account is fine. Ethereum is fine. Where is it? Oh no, sorry. Aster is a BNB chain, so we have to select spot account, BNB chain, Aster, and then I'm just gonna click max and then withdraw. So it's switching it to Binance Smart Chain, which is good. And I'm gonna confirm. So it says here, withdraw 61.46 Aster from BNB Smart Chain. Transaction confirmed. Please wait 1 or 2 minutes for account info to be updated. So if I look at my wallet, let's see. Okay. The Aster is here. So we have the 61.39 coins or tokens. Okay, so now that the Aster coin is in my hot wallet, it's time to move it to the cold wallet because, you know, it's too risky leaving tokens or coins on a hot wallet because it's connected to the internet. So now we want to move it to my Ledger cold wallet device. All I have to do is click on add account in MetaMask, click hardware wallet. I'm using a Ledger in this case. It says plug your Ledger directly in your computer and unlock it and open the Ethereum app. So let's switch to the Ledger. So I have it already connected and unlocked. I'm just gonna open up the Ethereum app, click connect. It's asking me to connect to an HID device. I'm gonna click connect. And it's detecting many accounts. It's the first one. Unlock. And here we go. So it says Ledger 1. So I'm going to go back to my main account. I want to send from my standard MetaMask account to my Ledger. And I want to send Aster. So from Aster to Aster, but on the Ledger. So the destination is going to be Ledger and Aster. And I want to transfer the full amount. So all 61 tokens. I'm going to click continue. And then just confirm all this detail. Confirm. Looks good. The transaction was submitted. And it should be cleared any second now. Yeah, so it says transaction confirmed on my other screen. Perfect. So it's done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them.